because of ama-2000 lamapiano uma udlula estradini ubhema ukuthi amalume Skefu uyazi ukuthi malume Skefu awuboni ukuthi ngisangakusakaza ngempama ngiyangithala uthi uyangibona ukuthi ngidala kunawo uthi Skefu kumina ngiyangithala live towards your dreams and ambitions that is conducive towards the entire community. Ngiyangithala if awumoshi uphila kahle all the good will come towards you. In order for our community to be good, there needs to be good within it. If there's no good within it, and you are bad, he's bad, she's bad, you are bad, what good is there within the community?
There's no good.
Yeah.
Sanibingelele emakhaya ababukeli bethu. Namhlanje nihleli no Roslyn Khumalo. Nginokwazi uzositshela kabanzi ngempilo yakhe. Siyakwamukela basi.
Hayi. Siyajabula ukuba lana. Igama lami is Lloyd Kwazinkosi. His Excellency, the legend who was there before the initial beginning began. Sankhona for episode second.
Siyabonga kwazi. Ukwazi besisacela namhlanje usichazele kabanzi ngempilo yakho. Since last episode wasitshela ngefamily yakho ukuthi your parents passed away, you have got a sibling owashonayo. Was it the only sibling obunayo empilweni or you do have ama siblings? Usichazele nokuthi washona kanjani, what happened to him?
Githi ngiyifirstborn. C5. Kahle besi5. Yabona kwaba ne-problem kahle kubonke laba abangilandelayo. Problem abaningi. UNosipho usanda kuphuma esibhedlela lo ngilama. Ujabusile wangishiya emhlabeni. Umoni lo ubhema ama-drugs. Umagule lo last born umithi njengamanje. Inkinga kusho ukuthi lapha yana ngazi ukuthi waqala nyoni ngakithi.
Okay.
Yeah, khona akumanga kahle.
Ungasitshela kabanzi ukuthi lo wakushiya kanjani emhlabeni?
Kwatholakala ukuthi wami uma imithi kanjalo wathandana nomuntu bashaya yazi wangena ku-dilemma ngoba indoda yakhe ngashona la phambi khona la esihlala khona wangena omunye umfana laphana uyabona ukuthi wamfaka kuma-Dracula. So manje she was just drinking and smoking crystal, not taking medication, not taking care of herself.
What happened to Umntwana since she was pregnant?
If I'm not mistaken, the day after, also the child passed away.
Was it the only child she had or?
Nope. My nieces are in New Jerusalem under immense. Those are good people. They are being educated, whom they only speak English. And but right, considering my circumstances is now njengamanje, it was shelling indawo. Yabona. Ukhismuzi kanje hayi kunandawo lapho zofikela khona. Yabona.
Yeah.
Bakhona.
So mawuthi your nieces, do you mean ukuthi only her children or some of your siblings' children are also taken by them?
Yes. Also, my sisters, uyingane zaNosipho zikhona la. Yabona, bayi4 kahle. Yabona. U-Osi, owami, ngobili, uShilu bakhona lapha eMesi.
So how do you feel about it ukuthi you get ukuthi abantwana bama-siblings wakho abahlali nabazali babo besides the one abanomzali wabo washona, laba abasaphila, how do you feel?
I can say that it's not okay. It's not okay in the sense that if besunde samumba bahlanganise lokho kukhona sikwazi ukuthi sihlale nabo sihlanganise amakhaya sibone ukuthi siphila kanjani somndeni. Yabona inhliziyo yami ayikayibuzi isafuna amabhodlela ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngibashana babo. Ngiwasabona la bekhona bayazibuza ukuthi hawu labantu mhlawumbe basilahlile, mhlawumbe basicabangeli. Yabona indawo yakhona ikude ukuthi hayi ukuvakasha akusinkinga, kodwa nanakhona uma uphuma ngegate ubona vele umiphi inyembezi ukuthi hayi bayabona ukuthi hayi umalume uyangishiya.
So the main reason for them ukuthi babe lapho is the situation.
Exactly.
Okay. The situation, is it all about ukuthi awusebenzi nama-siblings wakho or you are homeless since bewuqeda kusitshela ukuthi la ebenihlala khona kushile?
It was even before that.
Okay.
It was the fact of dysfunctionality. Yabona ukuthi hayi angekho usebenzayo la besihlala khona kungakashi inyamandawo yaphuzwa. Yabona yonke lento ukuthi abantu ezigcina bebona ukuthi hayi ezinye ingane ziyahamba zesikolweni ingane ziyakhula. Yabona. And there was even another situation, which is even more painful than what I'm saying. It is like detrimental. The figure scala lapha doing. My father was still alive before he passed away. He had a best friend. Usimelane besimbiza ngomakepisi bakhona bamasiyo la. I still have a photo of him. So what Melanie did was rape my elder niece, Lucy.
How old was she?
I do not remember. We were attending the case and what we beat him up and stuff like that. And then I'm a place I feel about pepper sprayer. And then he was arrested, incarcerated, and Ujabsi when she was still alive. He first first born never Jabsi. Hamba now against repeat was the case. Then we were attending as witnesses. So that thing built up. That one which the other children safe. Is the situation improving? The children going to school, and it did not improve. In fact, it went downhill. It was supposed to improve.
How did you take it ukuthi umtshana wakho got raped at a younger age? After that, she was taken by social workers. You get to see her timing. You don't know ukuthi ukhuluma nobani all about it, ukuthi I was raped. You don't know ukuthi even today, what does she think about that situation?
Fundamentally, the entire situation pisses me off. Because Firstly, it could have been avoided, considering the circumstances. It could have been totally avoided. Yeah? And if the right decisions were made at the right time, this entire thing would not have happened. In a sense, I'm also gonna put myself in the picture and say, look, as a human being, I made mistakes. You understand? I could have done better for my nieces and my nephews. I could have taken better decisions for them. I was inhibited in some way, somehow, by nobody except for my siblings. You understand? When my mother was still alive, I had organized for them to get proper education. When the day came, they told me, which I do not have a child, to take them to school. It was free education through content. I do have content. So I didn't even lack education. I just got discouraged by that name, Utai, when I want to negotiate it. So nami ngataya yazi kungcono ukuthi ngibheke lami itikiti phusha yami itrain.
Okay. Siyazwela babukeli bethu ukwazi asitshela ngomntana kubo owamshiya nokuthi iy'ngane zakhe zikuphi. Ukwazi ungasitshela like bewusibalele ngama-siblings wakho. Wasitshela kabanzi ngalo washona. Laba abanye bakhona, do you live with them or?
I live with Umoni right now. Unosipho Sakaya, recently discharged from his bag here. Like to not know what happened. Like going for the leg, I won't tell you what time Unosipho and apparently epileptic fits. Which I don't believe so, because none of my siblings in the history and the hereditary of my family has had epilepsy. Okay. And I live with Intana Moon. Kamala Gomona Waki. Umuni Une ADD and mood swing because, excuse me, he's currently like constantly high on drugs. He lives for drugs. And I never taught him that. And it's painful in the sense with it. He's got a beautiful mind that is literally smoking it away. It's like having a Corvette, a beautiful car. Maripuma is smoke, it's me. And then Mang Sabate, Jela, it's like throwing water into the bottomless drain. Like pouring, and the bucket will let dry. So it's come to a point in my life that let me find my own route. Let me lead my own life. If they see some form of success coming from me, well, because it's pointless me talking to them. This initially started by the unfortunate passing away of my father, Ubaba Kota. My father literally passed away in my hands. understand. I said, no, things need to change. So did my mother. And he didn't have any funeral policy. He was at the funeral parlor there. I posted this unfortunate thing on Facebook and on Daily Sun. I still have the article. Yeah. And the people that I went to school with, they supported me. He ended up being buried at Olifantsfontein, 12 feet down, without a single cent from my siblings, by the people that I went to school with, that I matriculated with in 2004. So that's when I should have gotten the sign that I have no support from my family. Because from my father's side, ubaba omncane ukhuphukile. Mayikhuphuka, but hayi ngihambe uyenzani uyogeza ubaba ekubeni yibo bona abadala. I put myself in a situation ukuthi hayi ubaba ngikhiphe esezweni, mina ngiziphethele iniphi, angigeza ubaba wami, ngingena emgodini ngakusasa, ngingedwa emoshana. Ngamgeza kahle futhi, yazi ngizitshela uma ngibheke ebusweni, yabo kudala mhlawumbe uzongibona mhlawumbe ngitshele ukuthi asitshele ukuthi angikhambe hlalele kanjani. Ngiyeza ixesha lami lisithulele, yabo umuntu khona la emhlabeni, yabo hayi akavuki ukuyeza ethuthuka, akavuki ngize ngezwa ukukokota ngalo muntu osemushayo, ngize ngamnceda uqala amadoda, baba uyangishiya kanje emhlabeni isimo sami sinje.
That's part of life.
That was totally it, totally unnecessary. In the fact that I should have taken further steps over the life. You know, when you feel that you should have done better, and you feel that, look, I'm not God. I'm not saying that I'm God. I'm saying that, you know, the pain in life is, it's better if it is not sentimental. You understand? I want to think it's really ukuthi angeke kwazi ukuthi uyivale leyo mbono. Ukhumbula ngisaganga mina, ngisaganga kulo mvuzo, yabona ngomfana mfana, yabona uthola ukuthi hayi mawubeka ngihlala mangifike endlini ethi hayi mama ngavela ashaya ibhola, akhulume nabo bonke laba abanye abayibona. Abona leyo pain ukuthi hawu uma wakho awukhulumisi, ulala ungalele. Khona my mother was a kitchen girl, my father was a current farmer. We had that element of love within our family. No, very okuningi yangithola kodwa the affordability was there. I went to school, yangithola bengikhera, toughest bengigqoka, yangithola kodwa uthola ukuthi hayi mina ngikhangile, ngidlala lama game 20 cent ngafika late endlini, uba ubethele nje kodwa umama bevela athula nje iviki lonke wangikhulumisa endlini, which was my punishment because there is no love like a mother's love. And mangithi mama noma ngiphuma esikoleni isikhathini kwami kuthiwa leza yami ikhisi yangijama. So yeah, yona khona even nanobaba wami ngiyamkhumbula to all of my nieces and my nephews, and I love them until the end of time. That even includes my daughter. I haven't seen her in over a year. I love her until the end of the universe. May they prosper and carry on and be the potential and the reach that they didn't get in this entire world. Because this is not the end, this is just the beginning. When you see when it's getting dark, it's only just the beginning. Life is not about what you have, it's what you have to give. That is life. Yeah, I understand that. Kunzima kuwo wonke umuntu empilweni. Yabona, kodwa wonke umuntu uphila ngomunye umuntu. Uma ungenamuntu uphila esanga awusuyona ibhani. Street light yaziphila yakhanya yakhanya. Uyayibona? Thina siyabantu kumele siphilisane. Labantu engibabala ngibathanda ukuba nalabantu bangisizayo ebunzimeni bakhona nabanye khona la emphakathini ukuthi nje ngeke ngibale amagama, yabona, kodwa bakhona engiphilisana nabo abakwazi nami ukuthi bangiphilise. Akusilabo abantu ukuthi hhayi uyabona njengoba nje ngenxa yami, yabona, bakhona kuwona lo mphakathi engiphila kuwona eBerea. As you were saying.
Siyayizwela ababukeli bethu ukuthi ukwazi usuke endleleni enzima kakhulu. Like no one could wish ukuthi adlule esimeni ukwazi adlule kiso. Kodwa-ke sesiza ku-interesting part yempilo yakhe, i-love life yakhe. Ungasitshela nge-love life part yakho?
When it came to my love life is very, very complex and complicated. In a sense, ukuthi mina ngihlela abantu abarona kahle kahle. Umile umuntu lo ukuthi ukupha inhliziyo yami yonke. Hhayi imfihlo zami zonke ngiyazithola, yabona. And kulabantu angabapha inhliziyo yami yonke when it came to a relationship, yabona, uyothanda. They came with a wrecking ball and broke my heart, and literally bathatha ne-4 pound with a broken heart, bashaya ne-4 pound, like 4 pound shattered my heart into pieces. And I've learned one thing in life, which there was a time in my life I lost the person that I loved the most in my life. It came to which I was in a point which I was suicidal. My DNA, my dignity, my pride didn't allow them. She gave maybe like 3 or 4 preaching. I'm being honest. dying on a picture. I'm figuring out one. I want to die, my drive and my will and my living and the will to survive a life because there are people who look up to me.
Yes.
Yeah. As I'm saying, my niece, my daughter, young child, my legacy. It will not culminate to that. It cannot end this way. Because I'm still alive. I'm still well built. I can do anything at any time. Let just this river flow and this time pass and time heals all wounds which I died. So I conformed to drinking alcohol just to try and decipher, as in what did I do in this world to receive so much pain? Because it's better that you shoot. I've been shot, I've been stabbed, I've been hurt physically, and I healed. But when it comes to matters of the heart, as I said, like umama mangishaya ngebhomu endlini ubuhlungu kanjani uyangizwela ubuhlungu kungcono ukuthi uyavela athathe induku angishaya kuphela angangikhulumisi uma wami uyangizwela ubuhlungu kodwa uyakwazi ukungiphakela kodwa angishaya ngebhomu ibuhlungu leyo uyabona. So as my first episode said, I do have a fragile heart. In a sense, which I grew up in a loving home. Yeah. And my guardian, may her soul rest in peace, Mrs. Smith, the one who taught me to read from the age of 3. She was a loving being. She was white. She didn't judge me, didn't do anything. She loves me for the person that I am. And the people in this world right now, the problem is people don't genuinely take you for what you are. They take you for what you have. Which is being materialistic. Because what I have is not yours.
Yes.
But what you and I have is a basic relationship. Hello. Young child. Rose, ngale 50 cent. Was ngalo kumia. Jump visit your slow. Young child. That's the fundamentals of humanity. Young child. It doesn't matter which I in the 5K. Young child. When on the 10K. Uyabona lokho kwabo okwami nginakho ukusebenzela angisebenzele intweni zakho nawe kwasa wena usebenzele intweni zakho kanje impilo Rose ngikweleta amali uyabona leyo kutayi wazangina uyethatha endlini uyayibona impilo nje ebasic njengabantu bamnyama yabona hayi ukuthi ungidelele umuntu obona ngimavuku ukuthi hayi wazayi yangizwa Rose ama eyelashes ayaxeka yabona indoda ayisakwazi ukuthi impathelele salon yabona yeah it's who I am yangizwa yeah I wasn't born young child with money. Being in a send mina ngifike emhlabeni. Ngifike ngiphethe lokho ngiphethe of which is impilo yami. That's what I had. Mina ukufika kwami emhlabeni.
So usitshele ngengane yakho. Ungasitshela kabanzi ukuthi ikuphi, ihlala nobani?
Okay. The last time I saw my child was approximately 2 years ago. Mina nalomjindiwe ngithandana naye sazana ukuthi hayi ingane uzoqala naye la asebenze mina ngenzeni ukhuphula amasokisi.
Okay.
Besathandana umjendevu wathola ukuthi
What's her name or you have a name that you're giving?
I cannot utter her name because I denounce it. It has no honor, it has no loyalty, it has no respect.
Okay.
Yeah, you probably know her. Umuntu omjikela ngoba ebona ukuthi excuse me, ngeke lento le engicabane nayo ifezeke. Wakhetha ukuthi ahlaze igama lapho khona la eBerry with cheating, binge drinking, and not doing the necessity that me and her spoke about on a verbal and deep relationship conversation.
Okay. So
I no. What she took away from me, I want to literally specify this. She took away the growth of my daughter. I haven't heard my daughter speak. The last time I saw her, she was walking. The last time I gave her a hug or a kiss, or saying, Kanyezi, good night, do the right. Yangizali, or ngikwazi ukuthi ngifunde, or afika ngikhalele. Yabona. That element of parenthood that she took away from me is another thought within my heart. It is totally unfair because we never ever spoke about going to Zimbabwe, never coming back. That's what she said to me. That I know the child will come. The child left with the grandmother first. And then she left without telling me. I never spoke since. Literally speaking about 2 years ago. I dream about my child. I got a tattoo on my arm of my child. I miss my child. And I'm worried that in a sense, there's going to be a grudge. She's going to raise the child to hate me, not knowing. And the child will grow and eventually ask, where's my father? Hopefully, pray God that my child finds me in a better place, in a better position in life. So I can literally tell her, this is what happened. You know, women, you know how you are, how vindictive you are. You literally say, I hope I'm telling her. Hey, yeah, I'm there. Hey, what is sport? Yeah, I'm there. Yeah. So I do not know how my child wakes up, how my child eats, how my child lives. Like how uthuliswa ubani angazi. Angifuna ukubamba amanga lapho and leyo nto yenza ukuthi ngikuzelela kakhulu edwaleni ngoba inhliziyo iyagayibuza ihlafuna kakhulu. Ngoba lele gazi la first fundamental. And usuke lana ngingamenzanga isiko lakubo. Yabona ukuthi mase aqala uku-act out lapha bamenza. Yabona ukuthi mina ngihlala ebukhosini baba wabiye ubukhosi ngenxa yokuthi uyasivikela thina vele so-5 ngoba izimpi zasemakhaya udala ukhosi hayi nawo ukuthi hayi kodwa yangizela usengavukela izinto ekhaya yayibona. I do not know how they react to her acting out, or if she's acting out, not know. And that is very, very painful towards me. That is, it was better if she poisoned me and killed me with that. I was saying about downtime. Was where I could without me uncle. Fading the situation. And it is not fundamentally fair for another human being to do that to another human being. I see women and men passing by with their children on a daily basis. Even I see we in the humble. We in the name ngidlula naye ngidala yabona uyini hayi ukuthi ngithwale izandla abantu cha uyini nje ngizivulele neyami ngendlela engihloniphe ngizizotha uyini yami ingane ngidlula nayo noma ngingene ephepha nje neyami ingane and mali le ngiyayiphuza ngihlisa ngehlisa lenhliziyo ewutsha ubuhlungu ngingangibona ngigigiteka hleka la estradini kodwa ubuhlungu ngokuthi siblokhene ku-Facebook what ublokhene ngoba yazi umuntu ngambona manje ungcono uthemba itshe yalibona leti la ikhoneni yalibona leti la ikhoneni iluka afike lana ukuthi akalakashisa ilethwa imvula libheka nazo zonke izinto zomhlabeni liyachanyelwa lihlezi lapha alishift uyayibona yeah ingakho nje ukuthi hayi mina angisenathanda ukuthi ngasengela njengembungu ngoba ngabona ukuthi ukuthanda umuntu kunzima kakhulu into emele ukuthi mhlambe bayogeza emfuleni naseGibhithe ukuthanda umuntu hayi mhlambe igazi lami akuhambelani hayi mjenje kungalandela hey.
So actually she made you ukuthi awusafuni uthando awusafuni like she shattered you from ending zothando.
Look, I'm not saying she shattered me. There's always two sides to a story. You must understand that.
Yes.
I am a human being. I've got faults. Yeah? What she could have done or what she should have done. You must kiss the show. It was and then the lies. The lies is where it became because my daughter lived with her grandmother going to Zimbabwe. And she was here living the party life, living that life of
enjoyment.
Nope. Point of correction. Horrorism. Dragging my name through the mud. And I understand. With it was sibona usibambana endaweni leso. Sibona ubambana endaweni leso. Ngaze ngafika mina personally. Ngayibona into so. Ngiyamkhuza. Because as everyone knows here in the hood, I'm gun related. Yangizwala. Bayangitshela ukuthi hey kanti how far. And that degraded my street name, my street cred. Angala, sengibona die mina sengibusy isifebe sakho what yangala. That degraded me in a sense which I lost a lot of and credibility and accountability within the period. Yeah, you understand? So that made me understand which in life, not necessarily in life, in reality, in a sense, in a whole, depend on nobody else but you. You can have every single thing that you want in life, but in reality, depend entirely on you. Knowing that I am entirely control of this. Whether it be a woman, child, car, this is me, and I am in control of this. There's no thing called love anymore. Which I, as in, man will share the strategy. One gone, uzokwenza leyo nkinto uhlale ushaye step 1, step 2, upheke, happy, yonke into hita, uva, yonke mangabona iphela endlini usenkingeni. Angisafuni ukuthi hey baby uyojayiva. Hayi. Ngithole nje amasente nyana makuthiwa vele sengiyajwala manje ngile ngithole lokhana udayi kwisitofu sasendlini nayithole layishaya nayindawo yokuwasha enositofu ngakubona estrategy Pick n Pay order in i-order yimina angifuni ufundile uzovela shaya ama-app amaningi kuvula bathiwa ngitholile okwamanje ngisadla ipapa ngestrong ngisadonsa i-3 ngentambo kodwa ungapheli kakhona uyoze kulula mina as long as I live I'm the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. Ngiyangizala angeke ngiphosele ithawula ngakubona umgodi wami.
Sawubonga ababukeli bethu kuba nathi kwanamhlanje sizonibona ngo-episode 3.
Afuna ukushare.